Learning Creator. This is an initiation to engage with youth to let them learn to create a better future to live in. ELC runs a project which deals with mental health problems that is also known as Khoj Samasya. Hello everyone, I am Shahista greeting from ELC. So today we have a doctor with us who have worked really very hard during this pandemic situation. So today he is going to share his experiences with all of us. So without wasting any more time, let's invite Dr. S.S. Das. We have Dr. S.S. Das with us who is going to share his experience during pandemic situation. So doctor, we would like to know that during this pandemic situation when you were treating your patients, don't you feel the fear of getting infected?
Oh, definitely. There is always a fear of getting infected by the same virus. But first thing is that we have a duty towards the humanity, so we have to do our duties. And we take precautions as much as possible. But despite that, you have seen that a lot of our colleagues, a lot of our health workers or nurses and all, they have developed COVID and a lot of them have even died. So definitely we have a fear, but we do our job with all the precautions which are required.
That's so good. Thank you so much for your contribution to the society.
Thank you.
The next question we would like to know that how do you feel when people don't follow the precautions which are instructed during this corona situation?
If I can describe it in one word, angry. Because they don't understand that they are not only endangering themselves, they are endangering the life of other people also. Because as you have already seen in a lot of newspapers and a lot of newses, that there are so many asymptomatic carriers who are moving around, we don't know. So if everybody wears masks, at least these asymptomatic carriers will not be able to spread the disease. But when they don't do it, it really angers us. And in fact, I have in my chamber, nobody is allowed without a mask, and even if they don't wear a mask, they have to take a mask from the clinic and wear it. Not only that, the other precautions are also taken.
Okay, and also we have seen like many times on social media there are so many rumors about the doctors, and also sometimes they mock. So how do you tackle about all these things, and what do you think?
What do you mean by rumors?
Rumors like during this pandemic situation when doctors are putting their life in risk and serving the society, serving the nation. So at the same time, there are many people who are putting it in a situation like we are giving lots of importance to them, and they are not doing such great work as we are showing it.
Oh yes, there are so many situations where we have to face this, and even I faced a kind of situation like this also when people have told me that you have to do it, we are giving you money. So I told them straight away, so why don't you wear a PPE and be in a COVID ward for 6 to 8 hours, then you will forget about the money and you will only know about your life. So this thing happens. But the thing is that we cannot get emotional or angry about it, because we have to treat this patient. The patients have not done anything wrong. So if their family members don't understand things, or any other people who don't understand, it's their problem. We are there to serve, and we will serve.
So thank you so much for your precious time. But one last question. We have always seen like on Bollywood pictures, series and other things, a different side of a doctor. So if we compare, so how can you differentiate the real life of a doctor and the real life of a doctor as it has been framed?
See, the real life always takes clue from the real life, right? And then they put on some other things here and there and make it a real life. But the thing is that sometimes the doctors are not projected properly. That's one thing which we should look for, and we should be careful. And I won't say that in a basket there's always good apples. There will always be bad apples in a basket. So we have to know which are the bad apples and discard them, and only take the good apples. So it's depending on who's seeing the movie and who's analyzing it and all this thing. But definitely there are good apples and bad apples. So you have to take it with a pinch of salt.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Doctor. This will help to our viewers a lot, and we really need it. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
very much. Thank you. Thank you.
And as it is Corona situation, we cannot do the handshake. Thank you.
Sure.
The pandemic lockdown situation are unforeseen circumstances, and all of us are now working our way through them. Everybody is struggling differently. Here, we are trying to make them easier for ourselves and everyone around us. Check out our post for more interesting and helpful information on mental health. Till then, stay with us.